Hey, you know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Fowl, back again for another review. Today we are in sunny San Ramon, California, back at Plucked Chicken and Beer to try out their fried chicken tacos and the mini chicken biscuits. Hey, I'm trying to get some good eats. So let's go ahead and get into this review, peeps. Let's get into this review. First on deck, we got the mini chicken biscuits. Take a look at this, peeps. Ooh, nice biscuits with fried chicken, and I think that's honey on it. Ooh wee. Alright, peeps, let's take a look at this. So you got the honey on the biscuit, but let's see if it's actually good. Let's take a bite of this. Okay, so the biscuit itself, even though it looked like it was super hard, it's actually really soft and fluffy. The chicken is fried. It looks like it's a chicken cutlet, so nicely fried, seasoned well, not overly cooked, still juicy. Like if you could see inside the chicken, it's not overly cooked. They put honey on it, so it gives it the sweet honey flavor that you would put on your homemade biscuits. Definitely a 4. Definitely a 4 out the door. I was a little skeptical because everybody biscuits don't always look fresh, but this is definitely good. Definitely a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Alright, peeps, we jumping back into this review. Next on deck, we got the fried chicken tacos. Let's go ahead and see what this food's all about. Ooh wee! So we got flour tortilla, we got the fried chicken, that's avocado crema, pico de gallo, and cheese. You can get in orders of 2 or 3. You can either get them a la carte or in a whole meal. But they look good, but do they taste good? That's the $1 million question, peeps. Alright, peeps. As you can see, the taco got jalapenos on it. Came with a little lemon. This thing look massive. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Okay. It's cool. It's cool. Fried chicken taco. Tortillas were actually toasted to a crisp, so I like that. Green lettuce, pico de gallo. The avocado crema gives it a cool kick to it. Overall, definitely a full out the door. I actually like the taco a lot better than I do the chicken biscuit. Because I like the combination of the flavors all together. So yeah, definitely good. Definitely out of the two, if I have to pick one or the other, I'm gonna go with the tacos. These two items plus a drink, looking at about $27. So a little expensive, but most people are not coming to a single establishment to get 2 full meals like this. So, you know, but definitely a foe out the door. Definitely coming back. Oh, yeah. Shout out to the cashier for plugging us. I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, definitely good eats. We're in the San Ramon location. Go ahead and boom, hit them with the stamp of approval. It is Angry Fowl approved. Definitely high rates on this one, like I did the first time. All the food was good. Love it. Alright, just like always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know, when you do that, it helps me gain my audience and get out to a larger base of people who might like my content. Anyways, you know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Fowl. I'll check you out on the next one.